on the way out to the shop. And little one's over here digging a hole or something. Sheldon? Sheldor? What have you found? You just got a haircut and washed. Guess dogs will be dogs. Must be a little mole down in there or something. Mama's gonna be mad. Hey. Whoa. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Dub Saw Shop. We're going to go ahead, we're going to take this thing outside, we're going to fire this 455 up, see how she runs. Let's do it. We are running a 20-inch chain, 3/8 pitch, and this is the Duke's 3/8 chain. So, see how she does. Now remember, before we get going, on the 455s, 450s, 460s, richen the crap out of the high side, okay? These things will do a lean burble or a lean 4-stroke, and it will sound just like you got it rich. But if you keep cutting with it, you'll burn it up. So richen the crap out of it, then lean it out. Here we go. That's exactly what I was talking about, that really lean burble that you get. From that spot where we started, I'm out probably one whole turn rich to get to where we are right now. So, it can be deceiving. What do y'all think about the 455? For a homeowner saw, farm and ranch saw, a little bit of mods that you do to these things really wake them up. Now, is it as drastic as some of the older saws? Absolutely not, because they build these pretty stout from the factory now anyway. But the problem they run into is fuel delivery. They run them lean as crap. Mufflers being choked up. And that's pretty much the main thing. Timing issues. So, this thing right here cuts great. The Duke's chain, absolutely amazing. I think a saw with a bit more power, 70 cc's plus, I think you really start to see where that thing shines. I really like it. First impressions of it is very smooth. It's not as aggressive as I thought it was going to be, but I think you could probably knock the rakers down just a tick, and you'd have that little bit of aggressive feel that you get kind of used to with ported saws. So, let me know what you guys think about the 455. You guys let me know if you would like to see anything else with this thing before she leaves. You guys have a great upcoming weekend. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Remember to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It really does mean a lot to me, and it really does help out the channel a lot, and it doesn't cost you any money. So, you guys, stay cool. Dubs, we out. Dubstep. I don't know what a dubstep is, but by God, there she is.